Before we start, I want you to pause for 1 second, just 1 second. Think about the last time someone spoke to you in English. Maybe at work, maybe online, maybe in real life. You understood everything they said, every word, every idea, and then they looked at you and waited for your answer. And suddenly, you froze. Your brain felt empty. Your mouth didn't move. Your heart started beating faster.
And later, when you were alone, the perfect English sentence came into your mind, and you thought, why didn't I say that? I know English.
If that moment feels familiar, please listen carefully today, because this episode is for you. Not for perfect speakers, not for confident people, but for real English learners who understand English but feel stuck when speaking.
Welcome to English Talk Hub. This is not a classroom. This is not an exam. This is a safe place to talk about real English and real feelings.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Lisa.
Lisa, this problem, understanding English but freezing while speaking, is more common than people think.
Yes, and it's also one of the most painful problems because people don't see it from the outside. They just think you're quiet or shy or not interested.
But inside, you have ideas, you have opinions, you have stories, and not being able to share them makes you feel invisible.
I've heard so many learners say, in my language, I'm confident, I'm funny, I'm smart, but in English, I feel small.
That sentence always hurts to hear.
Because English should never make you feel smaller than you are.
Let's say something very clearly right now. If you understand English but can't speak easily, it does not mean you are bad at English.
It means your brain learned English silently.
Listening, reading, watching.
But speaking is not silent. Speaking is physical.
Your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs training. Your confidence needs training.
And when speaking is not trained, your brain treats it like danger.
That's why your body reacts. Fast heartbeat, dry mouth, blank mind.
That's not weakness. That's biology.
Another big reason people freeze is fear of mistakes.
Yes, learners think mistakes are bad. They think mistakes mean failure.
But mistakes are actually proof that you're learning.
Native speakers make mistakes all the time. They stop, they repeat, they change sentences in the middle.
But learners think every sentence must be perfect before they speak, and that pressure kills fluency.
There's also the translation problem.
This is huge.
Learners hear English, translate it into their language, think of an answer, and then translate it back into English.
That takes time.
So your brain feels rushed, and it freezes.
So what's the solution?
Not more grammar books.
Not memorizing more rules.
The solution is building a daily speaking habit.
A small one, a realistic one.
Just 15 minutes a day.
And we know some people are thinking only 15 minutes?
Yes, because consistency changes the brain, not long study sessions.
Let's talk about the first part of this routine.
Speaking out loud about your real life.
Not difficult topics, not news, not debates.
Your life is enough.
Talk about your morning, your job, your food, your feelings.
For example, today was busy. I woke up late. I felt tired. I had coffee.
That's real English.
Say it out loud even if you're alone.
Your brain needs to hear your voice speaking English.
And don't stop yourself to fix every mistake.
Fluency comes before accuracy.
Accuracy improves later naturally.
The second part of the routine is copying native speech.
This part is very powerful.
Choose a short English video or podcast. Even one sentence is enough.
Listen carefully.
Pause.
Repeat it out loud.
Copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. Copy the feeling.
Not perfection, naturalness.
This trains your ear and mouth together.
And when English sounds familiar, fear becomes smaller.
The third part of the routine is thinking in English during your day.
This feels strange at first.
But it changes everything.
When you're walking, say, I'm walking to work.
When you're tired, say, I need rest.
Simple sentences, no translation.
Your brain will resist at first.
That's normal.
But after a few weeks, English thoughts come faster.
And when thoughts are faster, speaking is easier.
Now let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is not loud.
Confidence is calm.
Confidence comes from familiarity.
When speaking feels familiar, your brain feels safe.
And when your brain feels safe, it allows you to speak.
Some days you'll feel confident.
Some days you'll freeze again.
That doesn't mean you're failing.
That means you're human.
Progress is not a straight line.
But consistency always wins.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Please remember this.
Your accent is not your enemy.
Your accent is proof of courage.
You speak more than one language.
That's something to be proud of.
If you're listening right now and thinking, I've tried before and failed, please hear this.
You didn't fail.
You just didn't practice speaking daily.
Start again. Start small.
English is not a race.
It's a journey.
And you're not walking it alone.
Thank you for spending this time with us at English Talk Hub.
Goodbye, friends.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, English Talk Hub. We'll see you next time.